Are you ready to transfer your USDT from Get.io to Bitget and maximize your crypto trading experience? In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure a smoother transfer. Let's dive in. Step 1. Prepare your accounts. First, make sure you have accounts set up on the both Get.io and Bitget. If you have not done this yet, visit their official websites and complete the registration process. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Step 2. Locate your USDT on Get.io. Once logged into your Get.io account, navigate to the wallet section. Here you will find your USDT balance. Click on withdraw next to USDT to initiate the transfer. Step 3. Get your Bitget deposit address. Now switch over to your Bitget account to the assets page and select deposit. Choose USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies and copy your unique deposit address. This address is crucial for ensuring your funds arrive safely. Step 4. Complete the transfer. Return to Get.io and paste the Bitget deposit address into withdrawal form. Specify the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Review all details carefully and confirm the transactions. You may need to complete a verification step such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. Step 5. Confirm receipt on Bitget. After submitting your withdrawal request, it may take some time for the transaction to be processed. Keep an eye on your Bitget account under Assets Deposit History to confirm when the USDT arrives. In conclusion, transferring USDT from Get.io to Bitget is a straightforward process that can enhance your trading capabilities. By following these steps, preparing your accounts, locating your funds, getting the deposit address, completing the transfer, and confirming receipt, you can ensure that your crypto journey continues without a hitch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy trading!